Okay guys, this is an update to yesterday's OpenSuSE review. Let's see what it's like to install Packman to get all the codecs. So first let's look in the wiki. Let's search for Packman. And it's not spelled like the package manager for Arch or the video game. Additional package repository section Packman. Okay, to easily add the popular repositories. Okay, so one-click install all these things. So let's see how this works. And it doesn't. Okay, so let's go back to this. Let's try this. Let's open up a console. So all of Packman. Let's copy that. Paste. Need to be root to run the command. Okay, rerun that last command with sudo. Okay, it looks like it's added it. So let us go into let's install this update. Yet another update available. And it's refreshing the list, updating the packages. Current system is up to date, but I just installed Packman. So let's go back to, well, let's just go straight to Yast. Repositories, there's Packman. We can't right click on it. Refresh selected. Okay. Options allow vendor change. Let's click on that. Let's try accept on that. Now let's go into software updates. Check for updates. And it's still not working. Let's go into see also. Okay, repositories, switch system packages. Okay, then this is how we do it. Hopefully. So let's go back to Yast. Let's go into software management. And it's not there. Okay, so let's go to configuration repositories. And it's not there. Do you see the problem I have with this? Do you see how hard they make it? You know, you can't right click on it. There's nothing. Okay, so now let's go. Let's go back to Yast. Hold on, let's see. Let's view repositories here. Okay, now we got a repositories tab like right here. Let's go to Packman, switch system packages to the versions on this. Except, finally. And you see all the problems I went to just to get my codecs. And I sit here and went through it with you. I purposely didn't look up beforehand to show you how hard OpenSuSE makes it in 2020. And that's my major issue with OpenSuSE. Now that we got the codecs installed, let's go back to our network. My MyCloud is there. Test is there. Let's see if my video of the Pussy Riot concert plays. And it finally plays. Still got the video skipping, but this is Tumbleweed, so packages get updated a lot, obviously. So maybe that will stop the little audio stuttering there. But this was just show you how hard this was and what they expect new users to go through in order to play media. That's ridiculous. But I hope you enjoyed it.